Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys Bluetooth earphone setting. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disconnect your earphone to your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to disconnect your earphone to your Vivo phone. So guys, you can disconnect. And guys, now let's see how to disconnect it. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect. So guys, then guys scroll it and guys click on Bluetooth and device setting. Guys click on your Bluetooth setting. So as you can see guys, we have connected this Uphone CL20. So I want to disconnect. So guys, right side icon guys, setting option. So guys tap here. As you can see, forget and disconnect option. So guys, you want to forget. So guys, click on forget option, and guys we want to disconnect. So guys, we will click on disconnect. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earphone to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.